saying, sorry, Dej, 3 points ain't for everyone. Bro, I just hope you
big ups, Peter, a real one.
I hope you've got the same energy and the same access to Euros when you man go through your mud, because I will be on Northside's channel daily. Yeah. Daily updates. You get me? Whether it's for, I might even do a little breakfast show for you, man. Don't worry, you and Tony. I will do a little breakfast show for you, man, on your channel. Yeah, because you Arsenal fans, yeah, you man are moving like goldfish, like we ain't seen this before. Yeah, stop getting excited, getting all giddy in your underwear, bashing away at the keyboard.
Why do you always divert to us when we're talking about you? It's just a diversion tactic.
Oh, the reason why I have to put you man in your place is because you man are showing a lot of energy, expelling a lot of energy right now because things are looking up for you.
Bro, we're just talking about your club, bro. You keep telling us to put some respect on your club. And I don't know when you're talking about putting people in their place. Why didn't you put Aston Villa in their place? Why didn't you put Monaco?
Because we had Vicario in goal.
Bro, Vicario saved you.
Crap.
Yeah, exactly. That was exactly what I wanted to say before when you guys were holding me up. Deji Sports, Deji, I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you to just tell me that today we got saved by that big, great wall of Vicario. I mean, you have to give Vicario the props today, man. Without that guy today, oh my days. Deji, you really stank up the place. I'm so happy. I even have to, you know, I even have to give Northside £2, you know. I mean, I'm so happy. I am the winner. Deji, I am so happy. I mean, you can imagine when a content creator gifts another content creator something. Bro, I am happy. I am the winner. I am the winner. I am the winner. I mean, no one wants to hear that crap, bro. I mean, I kept telling you this stuff, yeah. That Deji Sports, you know what, yeah, before we start this Arsenal talk, yeah, while you're out here, yes, stanking up the place in the Premier League and disgracing us in Europe, because me and you have been in that fight. We've been telling Brother Northside, even if he doesn't really believe that, me and you have actually been telling him that these teams in Europe are stanky. But when you go and put up that kind of performance against Monaco, I mean, bro, Northside will be looking at us like, I mean, what are these two guys talking about? These guys are yapping shit. When you can actually beat up Monaco, Deji, what are you doing? You have to be beating Monaco, bro. We can't accept that here. You have to be beating Monaco, bro. We're not having it.
You're doing a lot of
You have to beat Monaco, bro. You have to beat Monaco.
Let me tell you what I want, though. Yeah. As much as I want Vicario gone, and I want Keller in January, and I want Thomas Frank out, there's a small percentage of me, very small, that might be that Thomas Frank might be a genius. Let me tell you why. It's an oxymoron. A lot of big teams are dropping points in the Champions League right now. So that top 8, the likelihood is, with the way things are going, you're probably going to end up with a Napoli. You're probably going to end up with an Atletico Madrid. You could end up with a Newcastle. Do you know what I mean? It's not neat. It's not plain sailing. So maybe that aim for top 8 ain't as desperate. Because I can't lie to you, bro. I was literally on Asmatic's channel, Spurs King TV, and I'm saying I don't understand what Tottenham is doing. Are we going for the Prem or are we going for the Champions League? Because right now it looks like we ain't going for either one. With the way that we're setting up, with the way that our tactics are, it doesn't make sense. We're just being there. But is it that we're holding back because we know, like Napoli, bro? Napoli's gonna be playing one of the top 8. I don't want to play Napoli. I don't want to play the Italian champions. Do you? Do you get what I'm saying? So maybe there might be a little genius move there. But regardless of that, Thomas Frank is stinking at the place. And the maddest thing is, bro, it ain't even just me. There is a consensus in the Spurs fan base that they've had enough already we've had enough already, bro, because we know where this is going. I'm not here to be finishing 8th or 9th. That's not good for nobody. It's not good for you. It's not good for me. I need Tottenham fans having chest for the North London derby. Right now, I can't guarantee beating Everton on Sunday, and that's unheard of. If we don't slap up Everton, I might just, you know,
you can't even guarantee a win against Copenhagen, bro. And you're talking about you don't want to face Napoli, but I thought you don't respect the rest of Europe. You know, Karabag is above you right now in the Champions League. Your team's looking like a joke. I can't even lie, bro. You man are looking like jokesters. You can't guarantee a win nowhere, bro.
The 15th in the Champions League.
Newcastle, Chelsea,
the 15th in the Champions League. And they just pause, yeah. This is even the bigger problem, yeah, because there's some holes in some stuff that you said, yeah. Let me get to the first one. Yeah, you were saying you don't know if your team is going to concentrate on the Champions League or the Premiership. But again, that wasn't the same chest you were coming with at the start of the season. I mean, you just brought in a new manager, yeah. I was thinking that, okay, good. Spurs somehow fluked their way through into the Champions League. What do? You need to have a big squad with quality players in them. DG, Northside, Spurs didn't go haywire into the market and purge the market to bring in enough quality in depth to actually help that team fight on all fronts. DG, you're actually talking about the Champions League. Come, you see, you're still in the Carabao Cup as we speak. You're going to be playing the FA Cup. Of course, you're still in that dogfight, in the Premiership, and you're still playing in the Champions League. Now you don't have depth. Most of your players are injured. Yeah, like Maddison, definitely out of contention. Kulusevski is actually struggling. Solanke is out. Richarlison can't score goals. I mean, they just suppose you don't have the squad to actually fight on all fronts, and injuries are still coming. I was really, really expecting you guys should just go AWire since you were going for the Champions League in the market, but I mean, you guys didn't do that. You brought in this guy that you said is better than Odegaard, that you said is better than Zubimendi and all my midfielders put together. But man is thinking of the play since he came down.
He just needs to go to the gym.
You said he was better than Frank Brett, but bro, the man has come there and stank up the place. Yeah, Solanke is not fit. So I mean, they just pause right now. I think you just better pick which one serves you better. Do you want to kind of like finish in the top 4? Prioritize that one. This Spurs team can't play on all fronts. You have to come. I mean, that has to be a reality right now. You can't fight on all fronts. You can't play Carabao Cup. You can't play the FA Cup and at the same time make sure that you're in the Champions League doing a madness. You can't do all these things. You don't have a big squad like Arsenal. Arsenal have a big squad. Arsenal have quality in depth. Look at my bench. They Spurs. I mean, DG, yeah. I mean, see, let's throw this Tottenham Hotspur thing aside and talk about Arsenal and what we're doing right now. We have a big squad, yeah, people.
What are you doing?
We have a big squad. We have squad depth. Look at my bench, people.
What are you doing,
Just take a look at my bench, people. I am the winner. You know what? Yeah, What are you talking about?
What are you doing?
See, bro, I just disgraced European royalty yesterday in Diego Simeone. I potentially just disgraced the man out of the N5. What are you talking about, Deji Sports? I'm king around here. And you know what, people, yeah? I'm on Northside's channel.
Can I be real?
But I will give you guys the